This is Hear that noise right there? When I first became a missionary, right? We were in Guerrero, right? We were in a town called War, right? I was completely afraid, just like y'all are. When y'all fear Mexico, that's the same kind of fear I had. Alright, but anyways, I would believe anything. I was an idiot. I was naive. Let's just say. But anyway, so anyways, we heard one of those the noise you just heard, and that's the brakes on an 18-wheeler. Okay, and I didn't know that. I had no idea, but it sounded like a gun, right? And my wife told me, Chris, that's the that's the bad guys. And the bad guys, they are somewhere around the house. You hear them shooting the machine guns. And I was like, man, that sounded just like a machine gun. Well, years later, I find out that that's not a machine gun. That's just the brakes on the back of an 18-wheeler. Okay. Now, hey, the point of the whole story is that the Mexicans down here, because Mexico, they ain't got that much money. They want you to believe that it's a real hard land, but it's not. Okay, Mexico. We just left the Pentecostal church. Yeah, this is our neighborhood. We've been over here probably 10 times this last week. I don't know about 10 times, but at least 3. Yeah. See those people over there? They're working on. There's a gym over there. Okay, you see the gym? And there's people working out over there because Mexico doesn't want you to die from diabetes. Even though Mexico, they give you the best food in the world, which gives you diabetes. Well, yeah. They're working up a storm. You know? Imagine they didn't have those gyms. Mexico would be a haven for diabetes, which it is. Yeah. So I told you on that bridge, I told you my machine gun story back when I was in Guerrero. And then, just like that, there was a real machine gun. So about 100 rounds, a couple rounds in our house. And we didn't leave then, but we left the next month. But man, it was scary. Yeah. Gloria a Dios. Yeah, this is Tuxpan. You can come anytime you want. Night or day. I can come down here in the middle of the night and walk down here. There's no fear. No fear. You know, there's a dog today, and this dog, hey, what's wrong? In the window. Maybe it needs to be clean.
Mira, acá viene de la Ciudad de México. Ahí de las placas.
Alright, there goes the Marcano. There goes the bus stop. This is the bus stop. There's at least 3 major bus stations in this town. Probably more like 8. I've used 2 of them. Hopefully that's all I'm going to use in this ride. Maybe. We're getting our windows done right now. Thank you, Jesus. No. No. We just got our windows done. And now you can see. Adios. That was cool. Thank you, Jesus. That was cool. You can see all of them. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, baby, we got our windows done.
Que una compañera se fue a tomar una foto ahí en el DIF, en las letras del DIF, se fue a tomar una foto.
What?